Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele KM 7678 induction cooktop hob and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. One is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with the stove not connecting to the app or not syncing with your device or not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it keeps disconnecting, any kind of functionality or connectivity issues with this stove can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason is if you're selling it or getting rid of it and you just want to have all your data removed off of it, or if you're setting it up for the first time, any situation where you just want to have it like it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do this. With the stove turned on, we want to go ahead and come in and put any kind of induction compatible pan or pot or whatever on the cooktop area. And then we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the 0 and the 9 on the temperature indicators. We're just going to press and hold them simultaneously for several seconds, and then we'll see a countdown will come up on the screen. Just let the countdown run down to 0, and that will, after the countdown runs down to 0, that will restart it to the factory default settings. If you let go before it gets down to 0, it won't do the restart.